Alright, what's up guys? Just gonna be going over my 2019 stash. I've had to remake this video like 10 times because my phone keeps fucking running out of space, but yeah. Alright, let's just start smallest to biggest. In here is basically just a bunch of free shit. Just little stuff. Fountains, ground blooms, crackling balls, shit, Roman candles. There's hammer crackers. Those are normally pretty good, but the new ones aren't good. If you see the ones with the top views, don't get them. They're no better than any of these normal ones. So yeah, I thought they were the old ones, but I learned a little too late. These are pretty fun. You just pull them like that, they go off. Basically do those anywhere. In here we got like at least 1,000 bottle rockets, I'd say. Every effect, every brand nearly. I have way too many of them. I never light them off. That's why there's so many. But yeah, in here we got some small aerial stuff. 1-inch ball shells. I think these are from flashing fireworks. They're all right. Yeah, we got some. I don't even know what that is. These. We got a whole bunch of these. Not too many actually. I lit most of them. Yeah, I got exploding mosquito. Those are pretty good. Zips. Flying ground blooms. Buzz bomb. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of little stuff in there. It's all pretty fun though. I got a few cakes. These were like $1.50 each. Couldn't really resist. $1.50, 7 shots. Just something to use, but yeah. Got some Saturn missiles, 25 shots. These are just fun and cheap. Oh shit, whoops. Yeah, and here we got some firecrackers. These are pretty cool. Never seen these before. I saw them this year, so why not get them? Just color firecrackers. I've never seen that before, so that's pretty cool. You guys probably know what these are. They're good. I definitely get them. I have a few other little firecrackers in here that aren't too special. Got some fountains in here. Yeah, it's fountains. Yeah, lightning rods. It's a little parachute. Very, very nice parachute, by the way. Very nice. Got some of these. These don't really compare, in my opinion, but they're alright. Boom boxes. Got a few of these. Pretty nice firecrackers. Good price on those too, in my opinion. Got a few loose firepowers. These really impressed me. Might do a video on these, honestly. They're pretty fucking good. Same with boombox. I've never had those until this year, and I thought they were pretty damn good. We got ammo dump, some ball shells, some pretty good ball shells. We got a few cakes. I think this is just a fountain. I got this for free. Might just be some pearls, I don't know. We got Mythical by Firehawk. Never had that. I've never had any cake by Firehawk until this year, so that should be cool. We got one of these, if you guys know what that is. $10. Very nice. Very nice for $10. In here we got some whole bunch of loose shells, some Predators, 5-inch, Willows. Then we got the Death Shells, 2018 ones. That's what the 2018 ones look like, by the way. Those are obviously real nice. We have some of these. Got Willows, obviously. And then last but not least, got some decent color rockets. These are pretty old at this point. I think those are like 2016 RPGs, or this is at least. These are new. These are like, yeah, probably shouldn't mention them. These are obviously good. So yeah, that's basically it. Peace out, guys.
Loud enough for you?